What do you think about that?
Good.
Oh my goodness, did Aunt Joan and Uncle Johnny get you a good present?
They did. I like it. How did it get over here? Wait, it was through there. I can do this all day. What if you put some blue in the lid and some yellow? They all went.
Good job, buddy.
I love it.
What about over here if you put some in there, in that one? What happens there?
This one?
Yeah.
This goes right there.
Oh, do we have it on wrong?
You do.
No, there. It'll fall in like that if you press it. So put it in and then press it. Uh-oh.
That's okay.
Oh. Hey, who built this?
Us and you.
Yeah, good job. All I did was point to the pictures, buddy.
What?
All I did was point at the pictures. You put it together. I think you did a great job. What do you think?
I put this like here. Like that, do it like that, then it came down here. And what if you put it like that and put it like this?
What's that called? What is it?
A thing. Let me go through it.
No, what's the whole thing called?
A Marvel set. Marvel. Ah. Whoa.
Did you get it?
Again. I love this. I want to do this all day. I don't want to do this all day. So you're gonna be the yellow team.
Okay.
You're gonna be the yellow one. I'm gonna be the blue.
Okay.
And here's the extra teams. So
Okay.
this is gonna be your extra team.
Okay.
If you want out your yellow team, this is gonna be my red team in case I want out my blue team.
Okay.
So let's do it.
Okay.
So you put yours up here.
Uh-huh.
I'll put mine over here.
Okay. And who's gonna win?
Okay. Ready?
Oh, looks like all of yours got there first.
Yeah.
Well, what am I supposed to do now?
Get your white team.
Okay.
This is gonna be your yellow team. In case you want your your white team, you can use your yellow team again. And in case I want my blue team, in case I want my red team, I'll do my blue team again.
Okay, excellent choice.
So try this. Let's see if mine will go there first. Go! I got there first. So I'll hit off this thing. Now I'm gonna do blue. Go!
Whoa, blue are fast.
The blue are fast. The yellow's not. The yellow's not gonna be fast. Wait, is your white team fast?
They're fast.
Okay.
Okay, let's tell Uncle Johnny and Aunt Joan thank you.
Thank you.
And we'll send you another video.
Thank you. I'll send you another video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.